Hello everyone. So what's your favorite way to enjoy paneer? I like it mildly spiced with a creamy texture. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite creamy paneer recipes. It's super simple and it's a treat for your taste buds. It's ready in no time and it's great for special occasions, family lunches or potlucks. So stay on and learn how to make this delicious curry with me. Let's get started. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and then cumin seeds and let them splutter. Stir briefly. Add finely chopped onions. I have used 2 medium onions and saute until they turn golden brown. Stir in between as required. Then add half teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1 teaspoon of curry leaf powder. Mix it well. Add in ginger and garlic paste and keep stirring as the paste can stick to bottom of pan and burn. Saute for another 2 to 3 minutes until the raw smell disappears and oil appears on sides. Then add half cup of water. Cover with a lid and cook further for 10 to 12 minutes on medium heat till onions are soft. Cooking it covered will help onions to get softened faster. It has been 10 minutes, so let's check. Onion masala has dried and cooked well too. It is soft and mushy and that's how we want it to be. Now add 1 chopped green chili and paneer pieces as well. Mix very well. Now we will add half teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder and 1.5 teaspoons of garam masala powder. Mix very well to coat paneer pieces with all our aromatic spices. This looks great. Pour in half cup of milk. Add 2 big spoons of cream cheese. Mix well until it melts and integrates into the mixture. You can also use 1/4 cup of heavy cream instead. Bring it to a simmer. Let it cook for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add salt to taste and 2 teaspoons of black pepper and half teaspoon of kasuri methi. Mix well. Cook for another 5 minutes, ensuring the paneer is heated through and the gravy is well incorporated. And there you have it. Very delicious and super easy cream paneer is ready. Gravy is perfect consistency. It's not too thick or thin. Garnish with chopped fresh coriander leaves and half teaspoon of black pepper. It looks just amazing. It can be enjoyed with rumali roti, garlic naans or tandoori parathas. I am serving it hot with homemade rotis and salad. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and also make sure to hit the subscribe button. Click the bell icon so you never miss a new recipe. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon in the next one.